Welcome to PatioKidsDirect.com. Welcome back. So what really makes Patio Kids Direct the authority in the industry is we are calling on the engineering in real time. Engineering can be so confusing for customers or even contractors out there that might not know how to read it. We've been diligent enough to go and create software that knows how to read the engineering on the back end. So when you get to certain tabs in our designer, you'll see like local weather conditions, for example, right? So let's say for your area, you are at a 40-pound snow load, for example, okay? So we'll click on that, it's 42, okay? Crazy, all of a sudden you see all these posts show up, but because based on the size of the cover that you designed, it's on the back end reading the engineering and saying this is actually what's needed. Now there's some other options that, you know, if you go down to like, let's say a 20-pound snow load, see how it just automatically corrected it? So it's doing all this in real time. Again, very confusing. Let us kind of help you guys with that. That's the whole point of the designer, is it's helping you guys understand what's needed for your kits when you purchase with us. Now we'll take care of that all on the back end, wind speeds up to 170, crazy stuff, right? So we can always upgrade the patio cover, put in different engineering details like steel post and steel inside the header. So that's what's happening on the front end. On the back end, what's happening is we have an engineering tab. It's now reading the entire 188 pages of engineering on the back end. And in real time, whatever you design, we have that engineering packet being auto highlighted. I mean, super cool stuff. So for whatever patio cover you design, just know we have on the back end the engineering already being highlighted. Anything that we see yellow. So we have this already prepped for your city once you purchase from us. So again, just wanted to show you some of the features in our 3D designer, what's going on. Reach out to us. We'll be happy to assist with your engineering packet if you decide to go to the city. Thank you very much for your time today.